Hey y'all, Dennis Backyard Barbecue. Today I'm gonna do something that I did about a year ago, but I wanted to do it again. It's called a sausage popper. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna make some canoes out of some hot Italian sausage, and we're gonna stuff it with some cream cheese and some jalapeno peppers. And then we're gonna put them on the grill, and we're gonna add some sharp cheddar cheese on top. And we're gonna cook them up, and they're gonna be really, really good. You can use this for tailgate food. You can use it for snacks. We got some golf tournaments coming up that are gonna be really big. The Masters is next month. So these will be, you can slice these up, serve them up to everybody, or you cook a bunch of them and just do it like a sausage dog. Just be careful, because they're gonna be lava. So let's get to it. Okay, I got some bacon crumbles. I have some sliced fresh jalapenos. I have my extra sharp cheddar cheese, and I have some chopped up pickled jalapenos. All right, let's get this show on the road. All right, I've got 8 pounds of cream cheese that I have left out to let it get nice and soft. You can see how soft that is. So I'm gonna squish that down. And what I'm gonna do, these pickled jalapenos, I'm gonna mix them all up with that soft cream cheese. Now, if you don't have time to leave it out all day, you can put it in the microwave. Ooh, I apologize for that, because I was talking, so I probably can't cut that out. But yeah, you can put it in the microwave and warm it up. And well, what you want to do, you want to get everything mixed up really, really good. So you don't want all your jalapenos in one place, and then you only got plain old cream cheese in another place. So you want to get everything mixed up good. I think we are. It's kind of noisy doing it, isn't it? All right, I think we're good. I'm gonna take my cleanly washed finger and help clean that out. And we're gonna save this spoon, because we're gonna need this in a little while to load up the sausage. Now let's cut the sausage. Okay, for this, I'm using Kroger hot Italian sausage. Let me get my cutting board over here. Get my cutting board over here. And let's do what we're gonna do. All right, what I'm gonna do, I don't want to go all the way to the end. I want to start before the end. And I want to slice like that. Then I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to run them down through here, and I'm going to make a big pocket. Okay? Smash that down like that, make me a nice big pocket. We'll leave that. Let's do another one, and then I'll do the rest of them while y'all go drink a beer or watch TV, or whatever it is you want to do. Actually, what's going to happen is you're going to pick up this video right where it left off, because I'm going to do the rest of them, and we'll be right back. Okay, now that we've got that done, we're going to take our mix, and we're just going to take couple of spoonfuls and put it in our boats. Okay, so these are boats. From now on, these are boats. We'll spread it in there as best we can. Now what I did, I left this in the oven with the little light on for about 4 hours. And that got this cream cheese nice and soft and workable. So like I say, about 2 spoonsful for each boat, and then when we get through, we'll see what we got left. And we'll divide that up accordingly. But I have done this before, and man, is it good. That finishes up our 5, but I do have a little bit left over. There goes that daggone fingers on the chalkboard. All right, I got one that I was a little light on, so we're gonna put the rest of it right there. All right, now let's finish them off. Then we're gonna get to cooking. All right, now what we're gonna do is I've got some bacon chips that I'm gonna put on here. You can put as much as you want. I cooked a little bit of bacon this morning. I got a little bit left here because I ate a bunch of it. Not gonna lie about that. If there's bacon laying around on the counter, I'm gonna eat it. And that's just how that goes. Okay. So, here's what we're gonna do. There's a little light on bacon right there. We need to bacon him up. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I've got the bacon, I've got the jalapeno and cream cheese mix. I still have to put some of this sharp cheddar cheese on, but we're gonna wait on that. That's gonna wait a little while. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire up the Weber kettle grill, and we're gonna run it up to about 300 degrees, and we're gonna cook these till they are 165 internal. When they get roughly 155 to 160, that's when we're gonna put the cheddar cheese on. And then these we'll use as a garnish when we're done. All right, so let's get that grill hot and get to it. Light your chimney and get your coals hot. What I use for fire starters is cotton balls soaked in alcohol. They burn clean, they burn hot, they burn fast, they get everything going good. See y'all in a minute. All right, one thing I'm gonna do before I put these on the grill, we're gonna throw some devil's spit on there. Just a little light dusting. Right, so one of the things I did is I put my sausage dogs on a rack just so I can move them easier. Okay, and I'm gonna pull them a little bit further away from the fire. I am doing these indirect. We're gonna go till the sausage is 165 internal. We can't let it cook yet, because there's one more thing I wanna do. I wanna make these things messy. One more thing. So I wanna put me some cheddar cheese on top. You can shred your own. Publix had Sargento on sale. So I just got me some Sargento. Now later on we're gonna come back and I got some bacon sprinkles left. We're gonna add some more bacon sprinkles on top of the melted cheese. And we're gonna add more cheese as we need to. Because if this melts, the flavor's gonna just seep right on down in there. All right, so now let's cover it up. And let's let them cook. I'm gonna run them at 300 degrees. See y'all in a minute. All right, let's check them. Let's see where they're at. Should be getting pretty close. All right, so we're about 155, 160. Yeah, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put our cheddar cheese on here and our bacon bits. We'll put some more bacon bits on here because you can't have enough bacon. That's like you can't have enough cheddar cheese. If you don't like cheese, just leave the cheese off. But the jalapenos and the bacon, you got to have the jalapenos on the bacon. So let's get our bacon bits on here. And I hate that I'm using them all up because I'm not going to get to eat more. I got to cook more bacon tomorrow, I reckon. So let's dump the rest of them on there. Now we're going to get our cheddar cheese. We're going to start putting some more. This is layer number 2 of cheddar cheese because you can't have enough cheddar cheese. You can't have enough bacon. You can't have enough cheddar cheese. So we're going to get these things all covered up with cheddar cheese. and then we're gonna cover it back up. And actually, we only have about 10 more minutes, and these things are gonna be done. About the time this cheese all gets melted down real good, this is gonna be done. And I got a feeling it's gonna be some mo good. So let's let it cook. Okay, let's pull the lid and check the temps and see what we got. That looks good, doesn't it? Doesn't that look good? That's some cheddar cheese goodness right there. I believe these things are done. Yep, we are done. All right, let's get these things off the grill, get them on the cutting board, and we'll be right back. All right, that was about a 55-minute cook. Now let's cut into it and see what it tastes like. Been letting it cool for a little bit. It's still gonna be kind of warm. Let's have a taste. Man, I like that. It's messy, but it's good. Man. Oh, took myself too big of a bite there. Man, that was good. Then you slice them up, put them in a brat bun, hot dog bun. Man, except for the fact that I took too big of a daggone bite. That was good. All right, so I'm gonna put the recipe down in the description, and I'm gonna put links to ThermoPro. I did use the ThermoPro Lightning today to measure the temperature. I'll put a link to ThermoPro. If you use coupon code DBB15, Dennis's Backyard Barbecue 15, you'll get 15% off of anything you buy from the ThermoPro website. If you use same link, coupon code ThermoPro20, you'll get 20% off of anything that you purchase $30 or more. Also, I'll put another one down there for the ThermoPro Twin Temp Spike Pro, which is the Wi-Fi version. And man, I love that. If I'm cooking a Boston butt or a brisket, and I want to keep up with where the temperature is while I'm gone grocery shopping with the wife, man, you can't beat that. I will also put another link to Amazon that there's no coupon code. There's no discount there, but if you use that link and you buy anything, you do help out the channel, and we appreciate it. So until next time I see y'all at the grill, I'll keep on grilling.